bisexual.
I no go do anything.
Yeah.
There is no too much question about it now. Okay. Waiting day there now to just find my way. She go find her way. Like with that because I don't really support that. I no support her at all. No be decent art. You understand?
That question. Although if I find some as in I go leave him.
Is it be like that? My papa. I go free am now. What I go do before? I go chase am comot now.
The only thing where I go do be say I go leave am. I go leave am.
Automatic one time. Delete straight. Go for big bad thing.
Una welcome back. Now still BOBOS here on top Wazobia TV. Matter what we talk about today with the one and only Omesham, Sexylicious. Now Sexylicious, I give her sham.
Sharp, baby.
Sharp.
We are going to have a quickie in this bar when we finish.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
People will just join us. Make we talk before we go one quickie. Give me some there.
My quickie is food. That is
what thing you go do if you find out, say your partner now bisexual. If they do man, if they do woman.
Why they tell? Don't tell the viewers. Anybody who don't miss that first part has missed the show. This is because I don't understand how you missed the part of when Omesham was touching herself and oh God, I'm trying to hold myself here.
But really, Omesham, say basically, if person find out, na shocker, na big shocker. Say,
go first shock.
Na big shocker.
It gets some guys we like their babes with bisexual. Most lesbians are very, very good in bed, you understand?
Yeah, they say the girl good in bed.
Because you put, I say you people. I'm not you. I mean, I was referring to ladies.
No worries.
Lesbians are very, they stay longer. Mm-hmm. So it's not like you that you love sex and you love to crank. You will last 1 hour with a lesbian and you'll be very okay. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. You don't want one hour. So you see, I think, this bisexual thing too can also work for some people. Yeah. We know say they like cranking very well. Mm-hmm. Are you thinking about it?
But basically, what in person go even do? I really want, because I imagine so many things that some guys go do because we don't know. Some people talk say
so
one time delete, one time run away, want to. Not big shocker. Mm-hmm. Not big shocker. So at that stage, waiting be that thing where you go first.
Especially if na guy, because he had.
Omesham, how many you talk on top of wait last if na guy, your guy
if
now.
I catch my bobo,
they do guy.
I go first shock because I don't know if I don't give them all this time whether they give.
Hey.
So I don't go know wetin go make am. Come say what go do man like am. Of which some, if you see some men when they do self, and so then pelele. And we don't say guys they like big booty.
Pelele, I slim. So pelele, nobody use pelele to example.
You fat now they talk some they be like a Jasco.
Not be all some they fat there's some men when they do they get big bum.
They give example. Say if I find out say my bobo come they do that kind one.
Yeah.
I go fair ask and say this big thing when I get
you.
Wetin happen?
But wait, you when they talk about this now, you don't go prefer maybe your husband or your bobo they do one with a guy that they cheat on you with another girl.
I don't go prefer am more. If better see me cheat with another girl.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
You don't go like to see say
because that one abomination now. How you go they do man like you? Wetin attract you for inside? Women don't finish.
No, but for women, a woman like you now insult if a guy decide say I leave you now I go follow go. You can imagine I leave you I swear
what you mean?
I leave you I follow this bunga fish.
No way. If I first see you I go first slap you. Wow.
So you don't see anybody then you don't see Tunde I said Tunde you don't see Shegun take the example. One-legged man you don't see one-legged man take the example.
Tunde and Shegun, two of them even if they join two of them combined over this girl, God forbid.
You want to take me to, okay, wait.
No, you are a refined version of... You are a... What's the word to use for you? You are a symbol of sex.
Hey! Please, oh! Oh no, no, what's up, man? Yeah, madam, Nick, I don't want to show man.
What do you mean by that? Please, always transcribe. What are you talking about?
Please, oh, yeah, memu, showman, oh.
Okay, if you lost, or if you're waiting.
If something do me now.
See, with this kind of lady, you don't need people like you. I mean, I'm okay with her in the whole world. We are fine.
No, but really, I still they imagine the reason why it be say guys go get very sexy girlfriend, looking good size of body, good size of come leave that kind of babe, come go they do. And they look and say for me, in one way, I they look say weakness. Or they don't really feel handle woman.
Most times.
Most of them, I think they come from their brain mentally.
Some are not born that way. Basically, some of them are influenced.
Peer pressure, yes. Their friends, they influence them, say, especially maybe once when don't start to the drum.
That's why.
Say, and Nayansh, they say Nayansh, they take
don't kill me. I know what they do.
So,
but my problem, I know, say.
And maybe the girlfriend when they get that time, say
no,
when they do that one, it's sweet past their babe.
Okay.
I know say Yansh, that whole day tight one kind. And say maybe their babe.
I remember what you know. Hear that joke when they talk for outside, they say one drunk. As the guy they go with his wife. Now for just this thing happen. As they go. Now in them fall inside gutter. As I start gutter, now in the next scene, now the guy tell the wife say, "In Amuki, right where we did?" The wife say, "We did on top bed." He say, "Oh yeah, open." Now inside gutter with this so. Now the wife open. As he begin the crank. It say come on fall inside gutter. Now he come inside they continue inside the gutter. Now the wife say, "Madam, one and gutter neighbor." He say, "Is that gutter?" Or you put her back inside where it's supposed to be. And so what I put inside again. Now the guy they do. He say, one and gutter they come in. She said, "No, the real thing is this." He said, "No, put her inside gutter." So I say the gutter sweet pass. So I get your point.
So
right?
now the thing, now they make most guys they do that kind of thing. And if they don't start to do, and they go tell their friends, say even their friends still get the babe when tight, so they go want to say, okay, make a try.
But you know, it doesn't start overnight. My problem is, most times, that's why I don't like boarding house. And I don't go boarding school.
Yes,
they say I go boarding school by now. If I don't use my bum do something. Now boarding house is
even lesbianism or everything.
All this say they say get one sex school. Say girls, boys.
But now the boys school
I
go
start from.
We don't know what you don't do before.
No. Now the boys school I go.
No, but not everybody way.
You know, say
really
this bisexual thing never really, they rampant like this before. It was every day.
No, it was.
Like when
it was. It don't tell.
For Nigeria,
you don't day even for Nigeria for boarding school. I get friend when I've been there for school for university. We be start from.
You don't go see. I know be say that they do their self. Now that one
when we come wait who?
For boarding school, the one I know where before this bisexual one started the year and be say guys they do their self.
How guy go hold guy?
He got now Sophie. I've been waiting that they call and guy go.
Then we do CC opinion. When we come back, we talk this. Certainly short still in the house.
I'm on fire.
If I do okay with some, but I'm not sure I go leave am sure.
Hey! I go run My leg gonna go carry me. What is that?
I'll depart from here.
Now, grace of God, now I go take us. I do that kind of matter, cause it no go dey easy. Make you find out say the person where you dey date, they do man and woman together. It no be easy something. It go take wisdom and grace of God to take and do that kind of matter.
That person be that. Wait, now God create those people. I go run, I beg. No. I know if you stand safe.
Man. I will leave him. I go try to know the kind of person where the man be before I go date the man. You understand? So, and along the way, if that goes to happen, some people may be physical or spiritual. So you try to know whether he really enjoy doing that thing or he just find himself by mistake. So we'll try to help the person whether he can change, and if he cannot change, life goes on.
Now don't hear from our see them on top streets. So then they go run. This one say, mommy say, hey.
Na person be that.
Na person be that. You understand? So, but good, we don't hear their comments. We could just hear this one on top of our social media. We get Jen Lucky Nosa. He said, before then, we go don't talk better. Talk about man and woman. We'll address this issue because most people don't know, say you feel keep them as a secret for a long while. Grace Joshua Oluchukwu says, bisexual, I never know. Benedicta Ederigo says, I never know, but I know say I go laugh first before I do anything unreasonable. Last now to come out because I go tell you to become something way no be or they deceive myself, say him don't change or him go change. But if I be guy, I sure say that go be one interesting turn of events. You see, most guys like them.
Yes, and like
most guys they like them.
I don't see guys.
And the guys don't like action. Where
I don't see guys. I don't see guys will be say when he find out.
But not for marriage, oh.
No,
not for marriage.
No,
not for me. They just they play.
Yeah, just want two girls.
They're not gonna marry that kind of girl.
You know possible.
No.
When the guy find out, when this guy we follow go school. When he find out saying girlfriend, you know they do another girl. He happy now. He bring two of them come.
The guy
three
like
of them
action.
come always come they do urge regularly. Anytime they want crank, now the three of them.
But that guy they enjoy you. Explain how this urgent thing be like. How did they do them?
Basically now one guy, two girls or three girls, you know, that kind of thing.
It be like say you don't do them before.
If that girl we get mind.
That one here.
If that girl we get mind, you know, one girl like two boys. Now so it be vice versa.
What did they do? How did they do? I don't know.
What did they do now? Basic now. The basic cranking things, you know, movement. One babe go there with this one, you know, they know how to do.
If one day with one,
touch.
What did the other one they do?
The other one, you know, like this one they crank this one they touch this one, you know.
Oh, okay, so like now.
Triangle version.
Oh, okay, so if the guy they touch one babe, the other babe go they touch
the other babe.
But two feet touch the guy now at the same time.
It's not possible now.
How
now? Except one they do at the point, the other one they do something else.
Now you're talking now.
One go down, the other
what they do up. You have to divide the body.
Really. Let's face fact though. Let's face facts.
Yeah.
Just tell me in one sentence, what you go do if na you?
If na me, after the guy don't chop slap first.
Yeah.
It go end for them. I know say to talk truth, I love the guy, so it no go easy. But I go leave him because he go preach say he won't change. That kind of thing, they know they change one day. They take time.
No, but let's be realistic. If na you call be the bisexual.
If na me,
and then I'm in love with you, are you advising that I should leave you?
It's left for you. Everybody with their opinion, though. If you no be the kind guy when like that kind of thing, and maybe your intention not to marry me put for house, so no be more just they play the jolly.
And it's my intention, yes.
You feel leave me if you no want.
No,
if you don't
God forbid, God forbid I leave you. God forbid.
I go leave the guy.
I go leave the guy. Thank you, say you come here.
Even if you are fine, I don't leave you. I did with you.
I enjoy you.
No, you don't enjoy her. She was nice on the show. How can you enjoy her? I will enjoy her. You don't enjoy her.
How is that my
Please. You need to mind your language. Please.
How is that my word?
She will choose
who she wants.
I will choose it again.
She will choose who she wants.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.